Hello students, yesterday we started with chapter linear equation in two variables. Today I am going to continue with the topics. First of all, I told you that standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Number 2, there are infinitely many solutions. If I have a linear equation in two variables, it has infinitely many solutions, right? These two things we discussed. Today we will discuss how to find the solution of a linear equation on a graph paper. So always remember, graph of a linear equation in two variable is situate. Graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. वो क्या होती है? एक straight line. That straight line can be, if I have, see why I have taken two x's, I am talking about two variables. So I have x o x dash, y o y dash. Which type of system it is? It is coordinate system. इसको हम coordinate system भी बोलते हैं, है ना? And what else? It is called Cartesian plane also. What is it called? Cartesian plane. So whenever I am talking about two variables, I am talking about this Cartesian plane only. So how will I plot? Suppose I have a question. Let us take a question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Listen to me very carefully. It is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. What will you do? You will just take one variable on the other side. It becomes 2x is equal to 5 minus 3y. So here I have x is equal to 5 minus 3y upon 2. See, you can, there are two ways to do this question. The way I told you yesterday, कि आप यहीं पर value देते रहो x को, you find out the corresponding value of y. But this is the intellectual way of doing the question. What you do, listen to me very carefully. I had 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So you have already done in chapter first कि आपने क्या करना है, आपने you have to see कि which out of the coefficient of x and y, out of the coefficient of x and y, which one will be the terminating one. अगर वो डिवीजन में जाएगा तो वो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. तो यू नो कि अगर ये डिवीजन में जाएगा 2x, दैट बिकम्स द टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. यहाँ मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत क्लियरली देखनी है कि इट शुड बी अ टर्मिनेटिंग, बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम प्लॉटिंग आई कैन प्लॉट 1.6. 1.6 तो आई एम एबल टू प्लॉट, लेकिन 1.6 बार इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू प्लॉट. 1.6 बार मैं प्लॉट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. तो व्हाट आई विल सी, आई विल चेक, आई विल ट्राई टू मेंटेन दिस थिंग कि आउट ऑफ द टू कोफिशिएंट्स विच वन इज द टर्मिनेटिंग कोफिशिएंट. तो दैट यू विल कीप हियर ओनली, और दूसरे वाले को आप ले जाइए राइट हैंड साइड में. सो 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 था. What I did 2x is equal to 5 minus 3y. So my x becomes 5 minus 3y upon 2. Right? Now you give up the values to y. किसको दोगे? y को values दोगे तो x की निकलेंगी. So let y is equal to 0. पहली वैल्यू मैंने ली, let y is equal to 0. तो जब मैंने y 0 लिया तो my this term becomes 0. y minus 0 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is equal to 2.5. What I told you कि आपने साथ में एक टेबल बनाना है to avoid the confusion. आपने y को 0 दिया और साथ साथ उसमें ये values put up करते जाइए. You have to find out 3 values of x और y. ठीक है? Now next is let us take y equal to 1. जब हमने y को 1 लिया, my x becomes 5 minus 3 upon p, right? Because 3 into 1, 3 into 1, so this becomes 5 minus 3 upon 2. So this becomes 2 upon 2, that becomes 1. So when my y was 1, my x came out to be 1. So you simply put up this value also. Okay, let us take one negative value. Let us take y is equal to minus 1. This all you have to show. Let y is equal to minus 1. So my x is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 1 upon 2. So this becomes 5. Minus minus plus, plus 3 upon 2. That becomes 8 upon 2. The value comes out to be 4. Right? 8 upon 2. So the value comes out to be 4. So when y is equal to minus 1, my x is 4. Please listen to me very carefully. These values have to endorsed very carefully. ऐसा ना हो आप y की वैल्यू यहाँ डाल दें, y की x में डाल दें और x की y में. तो side by side you will put up. Now please check. My x varies from 2.5 to 4. मतलब minimum value 1 है, maximum 4 है. So what I will do? I will maintaining the gaps. Equal gaps. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, when I talk about y, I need only 1 and here I need minus 1. Right? Now I will plot my graph. How will I plot? X 2.5, y 0. X 2.5, y 0 means it is on the x-axis and mid of 2 and 3. You just put a dot. Please check, put a dot and make a circle. Similarly, when I am talking about x1, y1, it is here. Put a dot and make a circle. Again, x4 and y minus 1. Put a dot and make a circle. And then you just join these 3 points. You will get a straight line. Please check. You are getting a straight line. Make 2 arrows on the line also to show that this is the infinite solution line. Why? Because I can have infinite solution by putting the values of y. I will get the corresponding values of x. And very carefully you will write the points here. Here on one side you will write 2.5 और एक ही side पे लिखना है 2.50. Then it is 1 1 और इधर क्या था 4 minus 1. And here you have to write the equation of the line. छोटी सी लिखनी है 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is the way how you will plot the points on the graph. And this is the graph of a line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. That means all the points, this line will be having infinitely many points. So all the points lying on this line, जितने भी points हैं इस line के ऊपर, they all are the solutions of 2x plus 3y equal to 5. I hope this is clear to all of you. Let us take another example. Now I am taking another question from exercise 4.3. Let us take question number 1, second part. Question is x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. What does it mean? Can I write it as x is equal to 2 plus y? Very simple. So otherwise also you can use your intellectual mind कि x is 2 plus y. अगर y 0 है तो x 2 होगा, अगर y 1 है तो x 4 होगा and so on. तो what will you do? You will solve it. अब देखो when x is 0, x को 0 put करो. Y is equal to when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 plus 0, so it becomes 2. So you write here 2. When y is equal to 1, जब y क्या है 1 है तो x is equal to 2 plus 1, तो x becomes 3. Similarly, when y is equal to 2, x becomes 4. Right? So these are the 3 values you have taken up. Now how will you plot the graph? Please check it out again. I have x-axis, x, this is origin, x dash. Here I am having y, here I am having y dash. In this I need positive values of x, so I am concentrating on 1, 0, 1 and 2, and here also I want till 4. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let us start plotting x2, y0. x2, y0. y0 is the equation of x-axis that we have done in chapter 3. y0 is the equation of x-axis, so it is 2, 0. Now next is 3, 1. 3, 1 will be here, and similarly 4, 2. x4 and y2. So again I am getting a straight line. I will just join all these points, all 3 points, and I am getting a straight line here, right? I will just extend this straight line, put the arrows here, and then on one side, either on upper side or on the lower side of the line, you will just write the points. What are the points? It is 2, 0, it is 3, 1, and it is 4, 2. And here on the arrow you will write equation x minus y is equal to 2. So this is the way you will plot the graph of linear equation in two variable, which will always be a straight line. ये हमेशा आपके पास एक straight line आएगा. If there is a breakage, अगर आपके ग्राफ में कहीं भी ब्रेकेज आ रही है, सपोज आपकी ऐसे ग्राफ बन रहा है या ऐसे बन रहा है, that means you must have done something wrong in your calculations. You check your calculations because graph should always be, ये जो ग्राफ है this is wrong, ये भी गलत होगा और ये भी गलत होगा. Graph should always be this, 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 whatever, but it always has to be a straight line. So student, let us discuss some new things about the linear equation in two variables in the graphical form. We have already discussed ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form. It has infinitely many solutions and graph is a straight line. Let us talk about few more points. Always remember, these points are to be written also. Always remember one thing, ये तो आपको मालूम है कि this is x, this is origin and this is x dash. This is y, this is o and this is y dash. Y dash means all the negative values of y comes here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And what I told you people in the previous class, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. मतलब all the here on this line, when I am talking about this line, always remember y is equal to 0. इस पूरी लाइन के ऊपर y will be 0. Similarly, when I talk about equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. That also I told you people कि जितना भी आपका यहाँ y है, ये सब जगह यहाँ पर क्या रहेगा? x क्या रहेगा? 0. x will be 0 है. ठीक है? अब next I want to tell you, x is equal to a is a line parallel to y-axis. Always remember this thing. अभी explain करती हूँ. Similarly, y is equal to b is a line parallel to x-axis. See how? Let us talk about x equal to 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this is x equal to 3. So x equal to 3. तो ये जो पूरी लाइन है, here if I talk about this line, here x is 3, 0, इधर क्या होगा? ये 3, 1 बन जाएगा, it is 3, 2, it is 3, 3 and so on. Similarly, when I go down, it is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3 and so on. So what does it mean? On this line, x will always be equal to 3 and the value of y varies. So x equal to 3 is a line parallel to x-axis. See it again. I have x equal to minus 2. तो minus 2 कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ पर. तो x equal to minus 2 की अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो it is a line parallel to y-axis. This is x equal to minus 2. Similarly, I can make any value. I can take x equal to 1. This is the line x equal to 1 is a line parallel to y-axis. See, these three lines are parallel to y-axis. ये कौन सी लाइन्स है? x equal to -2, x equal to 1 और ये कौन सी थी? x equal to 3. Similarly, if I draw the graph of, again, linear equation in two variable की बात कर रहे हैं, तो we will talk about coordinate system या Cartesian system. अब मुझे बनाना है y equal to 5. y equal to 5. Let us talk about y equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये रहा 5. तो this line, इस पॉइंट पे ये जो लाइन जाएगी, this line, I am talking about this line. This whole line is y equal to 5. इस पूरी लाइन पे y क्या रहेगा? 5 और value of x varies. So this is the line y equal to 5 parallel to x-axis. Similarly, if I talk about y equal to -2, अगर मैं y equal to -2 की बात कर रही हूँ, तो what will I do? This is -1, this is -2. I will draw the line here. This is y equal to -2 because at this point on this line, y remains constant, that is -2, and value of x varies. So y equal to -2 is parallel to x-axis. So in general I can write x equal to a is a line parallel to y-axis and y equal to b is a line parallel to x-axis. I hope you got it. Next thing I am going to discuss, suppose I have x equal to 2. I have been told x equal to 2, draw this x equal to 2 in one variable, represent it in one variable and in two variables. The question is, इसको आप one variable में represent करो और two में भी करो. x equal to 2. x equal to 2 in one variable, वो तो हमें दिख ही रहा है कि it is in one variable. तो जब x equal to 2 में नंबर लाइन पे, since it is x equal to 2, there is one variable. हमने वन वेरिएबल फॉर्म में करना है, तो इट इज ऑन द नंबर लाइन. जब हम टू वेरिएबल्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, कार्टेशियन सिस्टम. जब भी हम किसी भी पॉइंट को वन वेरिएबल में प्लॉट करेंगे, दैट इज ऑन द नंबर लाइन. और अगर टू वेरिएबल में किसी भी इक्वेशन को हमें पुट अप करना है, तो दैट विल बी इन द कार्टेशियन और कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. तो x equal to 2. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So what will you do? This is, you will write x equal to 2. Got it? So in two variables अगर मुझे इसको put up करना है, how will I put up? In two variables. What will I do? I will just draw two lines. Coordinate system में बनाऊंगी. I will put up this in two variable form. तो how will I put x equal to 2? x equal to 2 ये रहा, and it is the line parallel to y-axis. That is what I told you people. x equal to 2 is a line parallel to y-axis. This is x equal to 2 in two variables, and this is x equal to 2 in one variable. Let us talk about one more example. 3x plus 5 is equal to, let us talk 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Question is 3y plus 5 equal to 0. How will you put up? In one variable. Represent in one variable. One variable का क्या मतलब हुआ कि हम इसको कैसे represent करेंगे? नंबर लाइन पे. So let us talk about this part. 3y is equal to -5. This implies y is equal to -5/3. So that means मुझे वन वेरिएबल फॉर्म में इसको कहाँ कौन सी वैल्यू को प्लॉट करना है? -5/3. हाउ विल यू प्लॉट? ये होता है आपका नंबर लाइन y का. सो दिस इज ओरिजिन 0, -1, -2, -2 थोड़ा सा नीचे ले लेते हैं, -2 एंड सो ऑन. तो हाउ विल यू पुट -5/3? प्लीज चेक इट आउट. अब फ्रैक्शन को तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू पुट अप -5/3. हाउ विल यू डू? It is minus of 3 ones are 3, 1.66 dash dash dash. So approximately it is 1.7 bar. So it is 1.7 approximately. So it is somewhere here. It is somewhere here, right? So you will write, इसको arrow लगाइए and write y is equal to -5/3. This is y equal to -5/3 in one variable. ठीक है. इसी को अगर मैंने 2 वेरिएबल फॉर्म में करना है तो how will I do? अब मैं क्या करूंगी? 2 वेरिएबल वाला सिस्टम बनाऊंगी. दैट इज अ कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. तो ये दिस इज अगेन o y डैश y x डैश o x. तो अगेन वैल्यू वही पुट होगी. व्हाट इट? So it is somewhat here. यहाँ था ये. तो what will you do? Now it will be a line parallel to x-axis. This is equal to y equal to -5/3. So this is the way you will represent an equation in one variable form, that is in the number line form, or 2 variable में it comes in the coordinate system. Got it? And this is also called as geometric representation in one variable and 2 variable. So today we discussed about graphs की discussion चल रही है हमारी. We discussed कि graph is a straight line. You discussed how to plot the points on the graph and how to draw a straight line. उसके बाद हमने क्या क्या किया? हमने plotting सीखी. Plot the points on the number line. on the कार्टेशियन सिस्टम और वो स्ट्रेट लाइन बन गया. और दूसरा हमने क्या सीखा? ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. व्हाट वी डिस्कस्ड कि हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन वन वेरिएबल में ये कहा जाता है नंबर लाइन पे, और 2 वेरिएबल्स में इट कम्स इन द कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. अब मैं थोड़े से कुछ और पॉइंट्स ले रही हूँ रिलेटेड टू ग्राफ ओनली, दैट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट. इट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन एनसीईआरटी, लेकिन कुछ वैसे पॉइंट्स ले रही हूँ. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर क्या? यू ड्रॉ, यू ट्राई टू ड्रॉ, you will get this one. I have, this is x, this is origin, x dash, y, origin, y dash. Whenever I am talking about x is equal to y, so x is equal to y is a line passing through origin, is a line passing through origin. ध्यान से देखो, x इक्वल टू y का मतलब x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4 एंड सो. बात समझ में आ रही है? 1 2 3 4. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट x इज इक्वल टू y. तो इट इज x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, राइट? Similarly, x minus 1, y minus 1, x minus 2, y minus 2, x minus 3, y minus 3. So this is the line. Always remember, this is the line which passes through origin and it is x equal to y. Right? तो इसको मैं x minus y is equal to 0 बोलूँ तब भी I am talking about this line. तो x is equal to y is a line, straight line passing through origin, और हमेशा ये यही बनेगी. Similarly, when I talk about, चाहे मैं I repeat it, चाहे मैं x equal to y की बात करूँ या चाहे मैं x minus y is equal to 0, because x minus y is equal to 0 का मतलब x equal to y ही रहेगा. So let us draw one more line, x equal to minus y या x plus y is equal to 0. This is also a line passing through origin. ये भी कहाँ से पास करेगी? origin से. लेकिन इसका नेचर क्या होगा? ये कहाँ जाएगी? प्लीज चेक इट आउट. x equal to minus y. मतलब when x is 1, y is, let us mark the points first, minus 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. What does this mean? It means when x is 1, y is minus 1. When x is 2, y is minus 2. When x is 3, y is minus 3. Because it is x equal to minus y. मतलब दोनों के opposite sign होंगे. x पॉजिटिव होगा तो y नेगेटिव होगा. x नेगेटिव होगा तो y पॉजिटिव होगा. मतलब x माइनस 1 तो y 1, x माइनस 2 तो y 2, x माइनस 3 तो y 3. तो ये भी लाइन पास तो ओरिजिन से करेगी, लेकिन ये इसका नेचर क्या होगा, ये इस साइड में होगी. गॉट इट? दिस इज अ लाइन, मार्क करो इसको कि दिस इज अ लाइन x इक्वल टू माइनस वाई. मैं x इक्वल टू माइनस वाई बोलूँ, मैं x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 0 बोलूँ, या मैं बोलूँ y इक्वल टू माइनस 1 माइनस x, बोथ ऑल थ्री थिंग्स मीन्स द सेम पॉइंट. ये हो गई लाइन x इक्वल टू वाई की, और दिस इज द लाइन रिप्रेजेंटिंग x इक्वल टू माइनस 1. बोथ द लाइन्स आर पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. ठीक है? So many points we have discussed today. Rest the word problems we will be discussing tomorrow. Thank you class.